But if you receive any large amount, please do not give it to others expecting interest. Instead, immediately go to the State Bank of India or any bank where you have an account and open a fixed deposit. You can sleep peacefully because you will have safety and security. However, when you are making a fixed deposit, make sure to know these two things. What are they? A portion of the interest earned in your fixed deposit account will be deducted. To avoid this deduction under TDS, ask the bankers as I mentioned. Tell them you want no deductions on the interest, and they will guide you. As soon as you make the fixed deposit, they will tell you to submit Form 15G and Form 15H based on your age. These forms are necessary for your fixed deposit. For those who invest to get tax exemption on the interest earned, they need to submit the two forms I mentioned. Specifically, those who need to submit Form 15G are individuals below 60 years of age and Hindu undivided families. This helps them reduce TDS on the interest earned from fixed deposits. Similarly, senior citizens, i.e., those above 60 years of age, need to submit Form 15H. They get TDS, tax deducted at source, exemption on the interest earned from fixed deposits. However, only those who earn more than 40,000 interest annually need to submit these forms. Those earning less than that do not need to submit them. The banks will also inform you about this when you open a fixed deposit. You can ask them all your doubts. This is very useful, especially when you think about fixed deposits. Keep 2 points in mind to avoid TDS, tax deducted at source, when making a fixed deposit in your bank. You will have safety and security, and your amount will not be deducted. If you liked this video, please like it. Start now. It might help those who are unaware. Thank you for watching the video.